Hello, we are Group 11 by IF Solutions. We are going to talk about the first chapter of the article, Introduction to the ITIL Service Lifecycle. This is the source of it. After reading this article, we found that this can be helpful for Ozbank. First of all, the target audiences of the article mentioned in section 1.4.2 are basically all the professionals and processes involved in service organizations such as IT service managers, CIOs, and operation management. As a service provider, Ozbank should be familiar with ITIL and try to optimize processes with it. Also, given the nature of bank industry, banks need to consider much more about how to provide their service safely. One of the value to the business of ITIL through approaches will help organizations to manage risks. Besides, Ozbank IT need to integrate their services because the organization is outsourcing as well, so the value of integrating matters. All the service organizations, non-profit ones excluded, hope to make more business value. We simply use profit here. And the service lifecycle can help with managing capabilities and resources to effectively and efficiently deliver services and optimize and reduce cost.
Next, we'll talk a little bit about the 5 stages of ITIL service lifecycle. The first one is service strategy. Organization can use this stage guide to set objectives and expectation of performance towards serving customers. The second stage after service strategy is service design. This stage is where the strategy is converted into strategic objectives and put into a plan, designed for the entire organization to move forward with the same objective mindset of delivering quality service to the customer. Now that we have given an overview of service design, you may ask, why is service design important when changes are made to service? To answer the question, when changes are made to the services, there can be various impacts. A minor change in the service's feature may have an impact on customers' experience, which can range from user resistance to a period of service unavailability. So it is important that there should be an establishment of a plan for achieving and maintaining quality delivery and operations in alignment with the business objectives. And the service design from ITIL framework can guide organization in drafting the strategic plan, which in turn will help the organization in maintaining and also increasing the value that they can deliver to the customers. After the service design is the service transitions. It's the stage that guides organization on how to transition smoothly when changes such as adopting a new service occur. And next is the service operation stage. This stage comes in with the ultimate goal to maintain the service operation and make sure that the service is being delivered to the customer as agreed.
The final stage is continuous service improvement, which is throughout the entire service life cycle. This stage can give guidance and best practice to create value for customers. Moreover, it can optimize cost of IT service and the underlying process. Given the basic information about the CSI, then where does the feedback come from? Due to the CSI throughout the entire stage of life cycle, feedback can be gathered from any stage of the life cycle. There are plenty of ways to gather the feedback from respectively external and internal. External like customer and sponsor through the survey, interview, and meeting. Internal like managers, supervisor, peers, and a closed-loop feedback system through service reviews, process evaluation, plan do check cycle, etc. Overall, after reading the entire article, we have 2 questions. First, when is the most suitable time for the organization to adopt ITIL framework, and who should be responsible for the implementation? Second, if all the organization apply the ITIL, will this still provide competitive advantages?
That will be all for our video. Thank you.